problem. We have a big problem. Oh my god, they're so big. Shit. No, that is not a creek or anything. Like, that is grass. Sorry, I gotta watch for snakes. I gotta watch where I'm walking. Sorry, my camera's skills are sucky. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. This is also, like, what's supposed to be over? Holy shit. That is a pond. This is not. This is not a pond. This is not supposed to look like this. No. If I walked over there, I bet that would, parts of that would be waist deep. Like, that is definitely a low spot in our yard. And clearly, we should have known from these. Ooh, that's a nice little waterfall. Oh my god. We should have known from those pipes that this was a problem. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh. Thanks for the cloud seeding, government. We really appreciate it. I know we need the rain, but we don't need a fucking flood. Flash flooding in Atlanta a couple days ago. Oh, apparently we are going to have flash flooding here too. Because this is definitely not normal for half hour or so of rain. And unfortunately, enough of this. Y'all, look at this. Oh, dear Lord in heaven. I gotta shut this shed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. This is not good. Are y'all okay? Water getting in everywhere. Oh no. Are you okay, Reeves? You getting wet in there too? It's okay, Reba. No, Kitty, stay. Sorry. Scared my guinea. I don't want her to go out. Hold on a second, y'all. I gotta shut this shed. I can't believe this.